Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to create polls on Instagram application. So the poll is a feature that you can use to ask your follower about some opinion so that they can participate to choosing and give you some suggestions about the question that you give to them. To do that, you just need to open your Instagram, and right after that you just need to go up on the story section. You can just go slide your screen into the right side, or you can also just go click this plus blue buttons here, and I just need to pick the picture. Or if you want to have the collage, go click this camera so that you will have this access. Go open this collage tools and just explore the picture here. I would like to ask my follower about the design, so I would like to put every designs that I have here, so that I would like to ask my follower which design that is best. And now you just need to go click this checklist button, and now to create a poll, go click this icon, and now you just need to go find the poll features, which is this one. Now you just need to type the questions that you want to ask to your follower here. And now you just need to type the options here. I will let to type 1 and then 2, add another one, and the last one just 4. And now we just need to go click next. Place them into the specific part that you want to put them, and then don't forget to give in the number into the options on the screen by go click this part, click 1, and then drag it into the specific part or area. Go click continue the number 2, number 3, and number 4. Oops, my bad. And whenever you got everything done, you just need to upload them into your Instagram story and wait until your followers giving the response after 24 hours you post it. So that is the way, guys, how to create polls on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.